Hello, Katie here from Katie's World. Welcome to my channel. I'd like to share with you one of my page kits. This is Star Wars Jedi Mickey Jedi in Training page kit number 26. And this is available in my Etsy shop. The link is below. And feel free to check that out. Anyway, I just wanted to give you a close look at the finished page in your actually I'll show you in a minute what you'll receive in your kit. I used foam squares to add dimension. Now you can, that's option, so you can add that or you can just glue it on flat, however you like. But this is what the page looks like, or the two pages that you receive, and this is for your photos. Now these do come pre-cut in your kit. However, if you have different size photos, these can hold, I think, a 3.5 by 5 or crop down a 4 by 6 photo. And but these aren't glued on, so you're welcome to change it up however you wish. If you have other paper that you'd like to use, if you have larger photos or whatever. So I'm going to show you right now what comes in the kit. So this is how your kit comes. You have a full color photo and you have some step-by-step instructions here on how to put it together. I'm going to open up your kit like this. So in your kit you will receive, like I said, the instructions, and I do give you a close-up. It shows you will need to draw some pen light. There are some what would be really tiny pieces, so instead it's one piece and then you use a black pen to fill in the detail lines there. So you get that in your kit. Then you also receive, of course, your background pieces. You get the 2 solid and then the 2 decorative prints. Now these you will have to cut down, so you'll have to trim off the barcodes of the solid sheets to measure 12 by 12, and then these you'll have to trim down to 11 3/4, so you'll have a nice border around the edge. It'll give you a 1/8 border around. So that's your background papers. Then you have, of course, the base of your character, and all of the pieces come in a baggie there. And the larger pieces that won't fit in the baggie are just separate in the kit. I recommend usually gluing those on first. I do have some step-by-step or walkthrough videos on my channel of piecing together characters and titles, if that helps. And then, of course, you've got your titles here, and then the pieces for those. And then you have your photo mats. And that is everything that is included in your kit. And if you'd like to pick up a kit, please check the description of this video, and there is a link to my Etsy shop. And please feel free to look around at the other kits that I have available. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to message me or comment below. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you'd like to see more videos from me, please subscribe to my channel and click that bell for notifications. And thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.